Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I'm saying about the expression handling, and let's see the first question. Create an array of characters which will be initialized during runtime with vowels. If user enters any constant, your code should generate a user-defined checked expression, invalid vowel expression. The description or message of invalid vowel expression is character is consonant. Handle the expression by using try, catch, finally, throw and throws. And let's see the program. And import Java util scanner, import Java lang string class invalid vowel expression expectation extends expectation string message invalid vowel expression string a message equals to a public string to string return cause plus message public class experiment demo 8 demo public static void main string as scanner s equals to new scanner system dot in system dot out dot print ln character a is equals to new character 5 try for int I is equals to 0 I less than a I length I plus plus system dot out dot print ln enter a character and char item is equals to sc dot next dot char 80 char ch character dot dollar case item if ch is equals to a ch is equals to e ch is equals to I ch is equals to o ch is equals to u ai is equals to ch else throw new invalid vowel expression character is consonant catch invalid vowel expression e system dot print ln e finally char I for char I is a system dot print ln a. Let's run the program and let's run the program and let's run the program. Well, enter a char a a e I b and cause char is consonant a is I. And let's see the question number 2. Question number 2 first one. Write a menu driven program in Java to perform the operations on an integer queue by making use of the concept of interfaces and create custom expectations to deal with the following situation. A. Non-integer value is encountered in the queue. B. Insert operation when the queue is full. C. Remove operation when queue is empty. And let's see the program. Import Java util scanner class queue extends expectation string message queue extend string message this dot message equals to message public string to string return cause plus message interface integer queue void dq enqueue throws queue exception void dq throws queue exception void display class queue implements integer queue int front array int capacity int array scanner s is equals to new scanner q int capacity this dot capacity is equals to capacity front is equals to -1 air is equals to -1 and array is equals to new int this dot capacity public void q enq public void dq throws extension and enq throws q extension in value if there is equal to capacity minus 1 through new q extension or q overflow. Else front is equal to 0, try system not out of print ln. Enter the element to q value is equal to sc dot next int rare plus plus array rare is equal to value. Catch expression is system not out of print ln cost plus e public void dq throws q expression if front is equal to minus 1 front greater than rare throw new q expression q underflow. And else if true system not out of print ln array front plus is dq front plus plus public void display if front is equal to minus 1 system not out of print ln q is empty else system not out of print ln q elements are front I int I is equal to front I less than is equal to plus I less than is equal to rare I plus plus system not out dot print ln array I plus public class m1 public static void main string args scanner s is equal to new scanner system dot out dot print ln enter the size of q object is equal to new q s dot next int and ch is equal to 0 do try do system dot out dot print ln 1 nq 2 dq 3 display 4 exit ch is equal to sc dot next int switch ch case 1 object dot enq break case 2 object dot dq break case 3 display object dot display break default system dot out dot print ln invalid choice break while ch is equal to 4 catch expression e system dot out dot print ln error first e system dot out dot print ln do you want to continue type s or no ch is equal to sc dot next int while ch is equal to 0 and let's run the program and enter the size of I am giving 2 and q and element 2 and again into element 3 and again into q error cause q overflow. Thank you guys by watching my video.